If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeokafor the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp 08065796599.
Anything that happens in night, things will not go easily out. No, what I'm saying is that in the past there was a time there wasn't a synergy. You have very different
security outfits.
Okay. Are you now centralizing it? Or what? No, we have one central. And the two security officers.
Okay.
Controlling the whole several camps. That's how it works. It's now under one umbrella. You have set up one controlling security.
So, sir, your leadership goes across to Okpoko, or we call it East Niger. So the challenges that East Niger have is quite different from that challenges that maybe the major Okpoko have as well. So what are your plans for East Niger differently, and then what majorly are you going to do in the areas of East Niger itself?
East Niger is part of it.
Okay.
And the Iba is part of it.
Okay.
So normally they have chairman, they don't have to.
Okay.
They have chairman at East Niger.
Okay.
They are executives. They come here. They come to pay visits. They are soliciting that we work together. Because we are one. There's no time for this night.
Okay. Welcome.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeokafor the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp 08065796599.
Okay. So
all these are under your administration.
yes. Okay.
I don't know whether you want to add up anything to what we have in store or speak about Governor Soludo.
He will.
You are coming to that, sir.
Let us first. We want to thrash out the issue, your local issue. So what are you perceiving that will be a challenge to you? You have just entered. What are you perceiving? You are thinking
that this, if care is not taken or if there is no intervention, it will be a problem. What are you perceiving?
I'm not perceiving anything per se, because in politics, lots of interest, have different interests. Right now, because under Okpoko government, we don't have much problem now. No one is opposing the Okpoko government here now. It was PDP before, but they have surrendered to Okpoko.
Okay. So, with what the governor must have done so far in infrastructure,
Yes.
so far, is that enough for Okpoko community, or do we need more in this place?
Like Oliver Twist, we still want some more.
Okay.
He has done enough, but we want more.
Okay.
You look at the roads, we have roads now, more than any other community in Anambra State. Like yesterday, Commissioner for Budget and Planning, Economic Planning, she was here to examine one school, Unity School, selected in Obara local government to renovate and build to a standard government wants it. Not state government, but an organization is doing that. They are doing that in all the local governments, one school.
Okay.
So they are starting work there today.
Okay.
So it has provided water to all the states. Yeah, there's water now. If you go out now, you can see taps. Water is
The
there.
government provided
Yes, government provided that. All these roads.
How far is school?
Unity.
Okay.
Unity school.
Into primary school.
Secondary.
Okay, into secondary school.
Then he has built a general hospital. He's coming on Tuesday, 18th of March, to commission the
General
hospital.
hospital.
Okay, the governor.
Yes. That same 18th, you see, he's the ambassador.
In office.
Yeah, he's celebrating it here and everything.
Okay.
Okay, he will celebrate it.
At St. Charles Parish.
So, how is your government going to, work with the government of Charles Soludo in terms of free education and encouraging, that spirit of education in Okpoko community too?
Since he announced free education, formerly, those government schools, you really see people in the school. But since he announced the free education,
Yeah.
the school is now full.
Okay.
Everywhere is bringing up people and rushing to the school to raise them. We thank him for that. We are enjoying it. People are not paying, they are no more paying school fees. So we are enjoying it. The only private schools that they pay school fees there.
Okay.
You see that they have a lot of students, their numbers are outrageous.
Okay.
We are working well with him. We thank him. We continue to thank him.
Okay.
Continue to thank
The governor.
The government,
So, in order to ensure qualitative education, what must be done from your perspective as well? Not just the free education itself, but in as much as they are getting the education, let there be quality in what they are getting as well.
Yes. We need more trained teachers
Okay.
in the schools. More laboratories.
Okay.
And the schools need to be upgraded structurally so that it will be conducive for learning.
Okay.
Those things, we need them.
structural. Ka abịa dịkwa ọzọ, ọ bụ na asị kọwaa Soludo, kedu etu ị ga-esi kọwaa ya Soludo?
Soludo
bụ nwaafọ Okpoko ọrụ. Onye anya n'ọrụ ọ na-alụ ebe a, o gosiri na ọ madeteren. Ọmụsọ ọ bịara ebe a nụnwa na-ebu na-eche ebe ọ Ezeokafor. Ọ letụrụ si ndị moto ya gara ya were kwụsị Ethiopian wee ndị mara amara na
n'ọnwa Okpoko.
So ọ fụrụ Okpoko n'anya nnukwu ọ a gentleman ka ọ dedicated to work. Na-alụkwana ya the day eswere in okwu na ebe ya ebido ọlụ bụ and they swear in 17th to 18th of
Iluwa ụwa niile, ilu ụwa niile, n'ịgabulili ndị.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp 08065796599.
Kedu ndị bụ Nigerian Jews?